Welcome! Today, we'll explore how to maintain a spotless home with a well-organized household chores list. Imagine coming home to a sanctuary where every surface gleams and every room smells fresh. A chores list can make this a reality. Daily chores like wiping kitchen countertops, washing dishes, and tidying up the living room keep your home looking spotless. Weekly chores, such as deep cleaning the refrigerator and scrubbing the shower, ensure your home stays in top condition. Monthly chores like cleaning pantry shelves and dusting behind furniture help maintain a truly spotless home. Seasonal chores, such as spring decluttering and fall gutter cleaning, keep your home well maintained throughout the year. Consider hiring professional cleaning services for thorough cleaning and to save time. Amenify offers top-tier solutions with vetted professionals. Thank you for watching. Embrace a well-organized chores list for a cleaner, happier home. See you next time. For such more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel.